The Galaxy S24 has just hit the market, but rumors about its successor, the Galaxy S25, are already swirling. Samsung has stuck with a similar design for its S-series phones since the Galaxy S21 in 2021, and it seems they are ready for a change. According to a popular South Korean tipster, the Galaxy S25 will have a significantly different look compared to its predecessor. While details are scarce, it is speculated that the phone's hardware will undergo significant changes. One specific piece of information that has been leaked is that the base model size will increase from 6.2 inches to 6.36 inches. This decision may have been influenced by the rumored increase in screen size for the iPhone 16 Pro. However, this move might not sit well with those who prefer compact phones, as larger screens have become the norm for flagship devices. With a wider display, it is likely that the Galaxy S25 will feature a taller and wider chassis to accommodate the new panel. Additionally, there are speculations that the phone will receive a higher display resolution, resulting in a sharper and more vibrant screen. Apart from the display, the Galaxy S25 is also expected to undergo radical design changes, moving away from the existing design language. Samsung's MX design division has been tasked with bringing a refreshing take on the Galaxy S25's design, promising an exciting new look for the upcoming flagship. The latest reports suggest that the upcoming Galaxy S25 might not bring any groundbreaking advancements in terms of its camera capabilities. It seems that the base models, including the Galaxy S25 Plus, will likely stick with the familiar 50 megapixels main camera. However, there is still a possibility that Samsung might choose to incorporate a sensor supplied by Sony. Interestingly, there are a couple of rumors circulating that the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus could potentially replace the current Samsung-made GN3 sensor with a Sony sensor. While this move could potentially impact Samsung's smartphone camera division, the company appears to be prepared for any setbacks. It's clear that Samsung is determined to make the Galaxy S25 the best phone in its lineup. Meanwhile, an earlier leak hinted that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 would achieve a single-core score of 2,800 points on Geekbench, a significant improvement over the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 score of 2,100 points. But hold on to your seats because we've got some even more thrilling news about this upcoming chipset. Fresh leaks from China suggest that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is capable of hitting a single-core score of 3,500 points. If this turns out to be accurate, it would be absolutely mind-blowing. On the flip side, the Apple A18 chipset, expected to power the iPhone 16 Pro models, is rumored to score 3,300 points in the same test. The leak also indicates that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 will outperform the Apple A18 in terms of multi-core and GPU performance. This means that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 will reign supreme over the Apple A18, enabling the Galaxy S25 series to surpass the iPhone 16 Pro lineup. As for other details about the Galaxy S25, information is currently scarce. However, with the flagship expected to launch in January 2025, we can certainly look forward to more exciting developments in the near future. Now let's turn the discussion to you. What are the key features you would like to see in Samsung's Galaxy S25 series? Are you hoping for a wider display? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next update. Until then, take care and stay tuned for more. Peace out.